Hi guys, it's me. If you want to buy this HP EliteDisplay E45c G5 45-inch 5120 by 1440 dual-QHD curved monitor with full docking support, Ethernet, DisplayPort, speakers, and a desk mount stand, then please visit the link provided in the description. This display is on a completely different level compared to standard office monitors. The moment you sit in front of it, the wide 45-inch curved layout immediately fills your field of vision with more space than you expect. Instead of feeling like a typical ultra-wide, it feels like two high-end monitors blended into one seamless experience. With a resolution of 5120 by 1440, everything appears exceptionally clear. You get enough horizontal space to run multiple apps side by side without ever shrinking anything to fit. The curve enhances the viewing angle and keeps the entire screen comfortable to look at, even when you're working on the far left or far right edges. It's a design that removes distractions and makes your workflow feel more natural. Whether you're editing videos, organizing files, working on large documents, or designing layouts, this display gives you the kind of room that changes how you work. One of the biggest advantages of this monitor is the built-in docking system. With USB-C powering the whole setup, a single cable becomes your charger, your display connection, your Ethernet link, your audio connection, and your peripheral hub. This is perfect for anyone who wants a clean desk without the spaghetti of wires hanging behind the monitor. When you're switching between a laptop and a desktop, or moving from work to personal tasks, the simplified connectivity makes everything effortless. The picture quality is sharp and consistent thanks to the IPS panel. Colors stay accurate across the screen, and brightness levels make it easy to use in bright rooms or darker environments. There's plenty of clarity for creative projects, but it's also excellent for normal tasks like browsing, writing, or studying. You can spread out multiple tabs, windows, and tools without losing track of anything. The ability to run two devices at once on this single screen is a power feature that stands out. You can display each device at full quality, side by side, almost as if you have dual monitors, but cleaner, sharper, and more unified. This is ideal for people who work across two systems at the same time or who want to separate tasks without constantly switching windows. The stand is built for real usability. You get height adjustment, tilt movement, and swivel options that let you find a comfortable position regardless of your desk layout. And the desk mount option gives you even more flexibility if you prefer a floating setup or want to free up space under the monitor. Using this display over time makes it clear how much a larger workspace changes productivity. You begin to rely on the extra room. Editing timelines stretch across the screen, charts expand without crowding, and multitasking becomes natural instead of forced. Once you get used to this size, it's very hard to go back to anything smaller. The built-in speakers are practical for everyday use. They won't replace premium speakers, but they're crisp enough for meetings, calls, and general media. The Ethernet port is a convenient addition for users who require stable, wired internet but don't want to deal with separate adapters. Sending everything through the monitor keeps your environment organized. This monitor focuses on efficiency, space, and simplicity. It brings together features that remove clutter, reduce stress, and increase performance. Instead of adjusting to a limited screen, this display adapts to you and the kinds of tasks you handle every day. If you're looking to upgrade your workspace into something clean, wide, and more capable, this is a monitor that delivers performance far beyond a typical setup. And if you're interested in purchasing it, check out the link in the description.